Marion County Public Schools represents 11 districts and over 135,000 students.
We support the Indiana Urban Schools Association anti-racism statement and feel collectively compelled to state unequivocally that Black Lives Matter, speak out against institutional racism, and express our unwavering commitment to eradicate it from our educational spaces.
As urban public schools in Marion County, we strongly advocate for educational equity.
This requires us to engage in honest reflection, ongoing learning, and constant growth. It also requires more than a statement. It requires action.
Moving forward, we will intensify our current efforts to ensure all students are provided with the conditions necessary to succeed.
We will learn, apply, teach anti-racism with urgency and intentionality within our school communities.
We will continue to examine our policies and practices.
Through transparency, we will actively work to create educational spaces that more effectively serve and support historically underserved students and dismantle systems which cause harm.
Change is required. Action is demanded.
We stand in solidarity with our communities to build a more just and compassionate world, to abolish racism, value social justice, and respect human dignity.
The result will be educational environments that better reflect and universally benefit the children we serve.